Welcome back to GCC Domestic System at www.gccdomestic.om. I hope you are proud of yourself. You have already completed 3 modules. Today we tackle what many domestic workers say is the most important room to clean perfectly, the bathroom. In GCC homes and in Islamic culture, the bathroom must be spotlessly clean at all times. This is about more than just appearance. It is about health, hygiene, and respect. I am going to show you exactly how to clean it like a true professional, with the care and attention the family expects. Gloves on, let's begin. Before we begin, we must understand why our work here is so vital. In Module 1, we learned that cleanliness is half of faith in Islamic culture. Nowhere is this more true than the bathroom. Muslim families perform wudu, ritual cleansing, before every prayer 5 times a day. This means the bathroom is used for religious purification multiple times daily. A dirty, smelly, or unhygienic bathroom is not just unpleasant. It affects the family's ability to fulfill their religious duties with dignity. When you clean a GCC bathroom to perfection, you are supporting the family's faith and well-being. I want you to think of the bathroom as a sacred space, not just another room. When you leave it spotless, smelling beautiful, with fresh towels ready, you are giving the family something truly valuable. Approach this task with that mindset and that professional pride. Preparation is the key to safety and efficiency. Always put your rubber gloves on before you enter the bathroom to clean. The bathroom contains bacteria and germs that can be harmful, and gloves protect you completely. Never clean a bathroom without gloves, not even for one quick wipe. Next, open the window fully or turn on the ventilation fan. This is essential, especially because you will be using bleach and other strong products. Keep it running throughout your cleaning. Now, select your tools. In the bathroom, we follow a strict hygiene rule. Use only your red microfiber cloths. Never bring a cloth from another area into the bathroom. Also, use only the dedicated bathroom mop. This prevents cross-contamination and keeps the rest of the home healthy and safe. Consistency in these rules is what makes you a professional. Take a moment to ensure your tools are ready. Step 4 is a professional time-saving technique, the soaking rule. Apply your toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet and your bathroom cleaner on the shower tiles and bathtub first, before doing anything else. Let these products sit and work for 5 to 10 minutes while you clean the other areas. The chemicals will loosen the dirt, soap scum, and lime scale, making your scrubbing much easier and far more effective later. You should never scrub immediately after applying. Always allow this vital contact time. While the cleaners are soaking, we will clean the mirror, the sink, and the chrome fixtures. This is how a professional manages their time to achieve the best results without extra effort. Plan your soak every time. Start your active cleaning with the mirror. Apply the glass cleaner to your cloth, not directly onto the mirror, to avoid drips on the furniture or frames. Wipe in a circular motion first to remove any smears, then use your squeegee or a dry cloth in straight, top-to-bottom strokes. A sparkling mirror is one of the first things the family notices. Next, polish all chrome and gold fixtures. Taps, shower fittings, and towel rails must always be polished to a shine. After cleaning, dry them completely and buff them until they gleam. Water spots and fingerprints on taps are very noticeable. If the taps are dirty, the whole bathroom feels dirty. Pro tip: for stubborn water spots on chrome, a tiny amount of white vinegar on a cloth removes them instantly. But remember, do not use vinegar on gold-colored fixtures, as it can damage the finish. Make them shine every single day. Look at that gleam. Step 7 is the deep clean of the sink. The sink is used many times every day for washing, brushing teeth, and wudu, so it must be spotlessly clean. Apply your cleaner to the inside of the bowl and scrub in circular motions. Pay special attention to the drain cover, which collects hair and toothpaste. Remove the cover, clean underneath, and replace it. Clean around the base of the taps where soap builds up, and scrub the area where the sink meets the counter. This gap is often missed by others. Rinse everything completely, then dry and polish the surfaces. A professional check. The sink should feel smooth and look perfectly clear. We have finished the first half of our deep clean. In Part 2, we will master the shower, the bathtub, and the most important task of all, the toilet. See you in the next part. Become the master of detail. Welcome back to Part 2 of our comprehensive guide to professional bathroom cleaning. In the first part, we laid the foundation by understanding cultural importance, preparing our tools correctly, and mastering the cleaning of mirrors and sinks. Now, we move on to the larger and more demanding fixtures, the shower and the bathtub. These areas require thorough, systematic scrubbing to remove every trace of limescale and soap scum. After that, we will tackle the most important hygiene task in the entire home, the disinfection of the toilet. Finally, I will show you the professional finishing touches, including the luxury hotel towel fold that truly define your excellence as a domestic worker. Let's continue our journey toward a perfect, sacred space. Recall that we applied the cleaner to the shower and tub at the very beginning of our session. It has now been soaking for several minutes, allowing the chemicals to break down dirt and hard water stains. Start with the shower. Using a firm scrub brush, clean the tiles from the top down. Pay very close attention to the grout lines between the tiles. This is where mold and mildew often begin to grow. If you see any black mold, treat it immediately with a diluted bleach solution. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes, then scrub and rinse thoroughly. Always inform your employer so they know the mold is being professionally managed. Rinse everything from top to bottom using the shower head, then use your squeegee on the glass screen for a crystal clear, streak-free finish. Moving to the bathtub, use a soft cloth or a non-scratch sponge. Never use metal scrubbers as they will permanently scratch the tub's finish. Focus on the waterline mark, that ring that forms where the water level sits. This must be removed every single day. Clean the outside of the tub, the taps, and the overflow cover. Rinse the entire tub completely until no chemical residue remains. A quick squeegee on the inside of the tub after rinsing will leave it perfectly dry and sparkling. This attention to detail is what makes you a professional. Now we come to the most critical task, cleaning the toilet. This is the foundation of home hygiene and requires your absolute focus and thoroughness. The toilet must be completely disinfected inside and out every single day. While some may find this task uncomfortable, I want you to reframe it. Cleaning the toilet properly is a highly skilled and vital job that protects the entire family's health. Take great pride in doing it perfectly. Always clean the exterior first using your dedicated red microfiber cloth and disinfectant. Start from the cleanest part and work toward the dirtiest to prevent spreading germs. Begin with the flush handle, which is touched by hands dozens of times a day. Then move to the top and sides of the tank, the lid, and then the toilet seat, cleaning the top first and then the bottom. Next, clean the exterior of the bowl and finally the base where it meets the floor, as dust and urine can accumulate here. Use a separate cloth for the seat and bowl exterior. Never use the same cloth on any other surface. Once the outside is immaculate, take your toilet brush and scrub under the rim first. This is the hidden area where bacteria and limescale hide. Scrub the entire inside of the bowl, all the way down into the water, then flush. Hold the brush in the bowl as it flushes to rinse it clean. Never leave the toilet brush dripping. Hold it over the bowl until it stops dripping before placing it back in the holder. If there is a bidet, clean it with the same systematic care. A perfectly clean toilet is the hallmark of a true professional. With the deep cleaning complete, we now restock and arrange the supplies. This final arrangement is what transforms a clean bathroom into a beautiful, welcoming space. Check the toilet paper. If less than half the roll remains, replace it with a fresh one. Fold the first sheet into a neat triangle. This is the universal hotel signal that the room is clean. Refill the hand soap or replace the bar. Ensure there is an ample supply of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and always report low levels to your employer before they run out. Arrange all bottles neatly on the shelves with labels facing forward. Now, let's master the hotel towel fold. For hand towels, fold them lengthways into thirds, then accordion fold the width and stand them up in a beautiful fan shape on the counter. For bath towels, fold them into a neat rectangle and hang them perfectly straight on the towel rail with equal ends. Every towel should look identical. These small details tell the family immediately that a true professional has cared for their home. Observe what your family prefers and replicate it perfectly every single day. Your work should look like a luxury spa. Finally, we clean the floor. Always dry sweep or vacuum first to collect hair and dust before mopping. Then, use your bathroom mop only with a fresh solution of floor cleaner. Mop from the far corner and work your way back toward the door so you do not step on the clean, wet floor. Ensure you mop thoroughly behind the toilet and under the sink vanity. Leave the door slightly open afterward to allow the floor to dry quickly and prevent mold. Now, for the professional final check. Use 2 senses, your eyes and your nose. Stand at the doorway and look. The mirror, the taps, the floor. Everything should be gleaming. Then, perform the smell test. The bathroom should smell fresh and clean, without any strong odors or harsh chemical fumes. If you smell something off, recheck under the rim or the drain cover. Once both checks pass, your work is done. Remember, once a week, perform your deeper clean tasks. Descale the shower head, clean the grout with bleach, and wash the bath mat. You are becoming an exceptional professional. A perfectly cleaned bathroom is a gift of health and faith to the family you serve. Be proud of this meaningful work. You have successfully completed Module 4. I will see you in Module 5, where we will tackle the challenges of the kitchen. Keep growing. You are amazing.